Kagulat World. Sumabog na naman ang munting lupa sa solid na Pinoy basketball vibes. Pero ngayon, hindi lang ito basta barangay liga. Isa ito sa pinakaastig na streetball event na tumatak sa puso ng mga fans. Grabe talaga, ramdam mo agad kung gaano kaimportante ang basketball sa mga Pinoy. Sa mismong Bayanan Baywalk, nagtipon ang mga tao mula kids hanggang titos at titas para makisaya at makisigaw sa isang gabing puno-punong aksyon. Ang pinakamasayang part, hindi lang dahil andon ang mga sikat, bumalik din yung classic na sabit style na panood. Mga bata nakasabit sa bakod, teens nakaaya sa railings, at mga adults dikit-dikit na parang sardinas. Lahat gusto lang masulyapan ang laro. Parang balik 90s feel pero may halong modern touch. May mga cellphone, vloggers, TikTok stars, lahat sabay-sabay nagla-live, nagvi-video. Halo ng luma at bago, pero ang vibe, pure Pinoy, walang halong arte. Ang mga nagpakitang gilas sa gabing yon, sina Kevin Cambao na fresh pa mula sa Korea at dala ang kanyang international swag, at Keen Baklaan, yung fearless baller ng De La Salle, na bilis at galing sa dribble. Di lang sila nagbida, nandoon din sila Malupiton, Mac Talo, at ang buong tropa ng UBTG crew. Kompleta sa forma at swag, kasama pa ang reps ng MGF Sportswear. All-star lineup na kahit hindi ka baller, mapapasigaw ka sa hype. Pag umpisa pa ng laro, ramdam mo agad, kulog ang crowd, todo hiyawan. Parang mini arena sa kalye. Walang upuan, walang VIP, lahat pantay-pantay. Puro tunay fans na nagmahal sa laro. Bawat galaw ng players, no-look passes, ankle breakers, dak-dak, instant sigawan. At syempre, may cellphone sa taas ang lahat kasi baka yun na ang next viral moment. Pero Kagulat World, ang pinakawalang kumpas na eksena, wala ng iba kundi ang tira ni Malupiton. Galing sa labas ng arc, umatras, nag-step back, tapos pinakawalan ang tres na parang Steph Curry vibe. Swak na swak, boom! Sigawan ang lahat. At sa sandaling yun, na-feel mong parte ka ng history. The fence nearly broke, phones went flying, people screamed like it was a Game 7 of the PBA Finals. That shot didn't just win points, it won hearts. That single play catapulted the game into viral status. Within hours, clips flooded TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X. Comments poured in, sobrang solid ng vibes. Ganito dapat lagi basketball sa Pilipinas. Ang sarap maging Pinoy. Netizens were hooked not just by the talent on the court, but by the spirit of the event, the joy, the connection, the community. This wasn't a corporate event, this was homegrown, felt at 100% Filipino basketball at its finest. Even after the game, the good vibes didn't stop. Kevin, Keen, and the rest of the crew didn't just walk off the court. They gave time, they signed jerseys, took selfies, and did TikTok trends, and exchanged laughs with the fans. The energy never dipped. It just flowed from court to crowd, like electricity through a wire. In the age of content and connection, that personal touch made all the difference. It wasn't just a game, it was an experience. UBTG founder Jasper Reyes said it best when he posted after the event. Gets ko na kung bakit mahal na mahal nila Kevin at Kian tong lugar na to. Hanggang sa muli. And he's right, because what happened in Muntinlupa wasn't just another exhibition. It was a love letter to streetball culture, to what happens when stars and fans come together, stripped of glamour, fueled by nothing but passion and love for the game. Kevin Cambao, who has now become more than just a UAAP MVP, is shaping up to be a bridge between mainstream basketball and the grassroots scene. His presence in Muntinlupa wasn't just symbolic, it was empowering. It said to every kid watching from the sidelines, you can be here too. That's a powerful message. That's what real influence looks like. Same goes for Kian Baklaan, whose flashy handles and explosive drives are tailor-made for both collegiate hardwood and concrete courts. In a way, he represents a new breed of Pinoy baller, fueled by community, built by street ball, but refined for the big leagues. When you see him perform in front of screaming fans with no tickets required, it feels real, it feels authentic. Let's not forget Mac Talo, who continues to be a pillar of Filipino streetball, whether it's in 3x3 leagues, barangay tournaments, or events like this. His name carries weight, his presence always lifts the hype. That night in Muntinlupa, he once again proved why he's beloved across levels from PBA to Purok. The success of the event also speaks volumes about the growing impact of basketball content creators. Vloggers like Malupiton aren't just entertainers, they're cultural connectors. They bring the youth closer to the game by making it accessible, relatable, and shareable. And that viral three-point bomb he hit, that wasn't just a bucket. That was a moment in Filipino sports history that fans will remember for a long, long time. Basketball, because when streetball is alive, the soul of Pinoy hoops thrives. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.